In this video, I will show you how to crop an image into a circle using Adobe Express. This is a fantastic way to create professional profile pictures or stylish design elements for your social media posts. To get started, open your project and click on the photo you want to edit right there on your canvas. Once the image is selected, look at the Properties panel on the side of your screen. Near the top of this panel, you will see an icon labeled Crop Image. Go ahead and click that to open the cropping tools. You will see several different options appear, but you want to look specifically for the section labeled Shapes. Under this section, select the circle option to immediately change the frame of your photo. Now that the circle is visible, you might need to make some adjustments to get it looking just right. You can drag the corner handles of the crop window to resize it, making the circle larger or smaller depending on your layout. To make sure your subject is perfectly positioned, click and drag the actual image inside the circular frame until it is centered exactly where you want it. Take your time to align everything perfectly. When you are happy with the way